To me, the front porch is one of the first things you see when driving up to a house. It sets the tone for the vibe of the whole home. It elevates the curb appeal and is a great transition from the outdoors to the inside. It allows you to bring the style of your home to life seamlessly as you walk into the entryway, and is honestly just as important, if not more important, than the rooms inside of your house. So this is what our front porch looks like right now, which is definitely nothing special. We're going to be completely transforming the space upside down on a pretty tight budget, all with the help of Wayfair. We will be cleaning everything off and starting fresh, while also adding in new furniture pieces and affordable staple planters that can be used year-round. One of my all-time favorite ways to bring everything in a space together is adding a rug. So we will definitely be cozying it up in here with a brand new outdoor rug. We'll also be adding in a cute outdoor side table for drinks or plants or for whatever we want to use it for. We're going to be building some beautiful new rope chairs so we can have some practical seating in this area as well, and using plants and decor to really make this whole space feel complete. Everything in this video can be found on Wayfair for such great prices, you guys. I'll be sure to have everything I use linked on the screen here throughout the video, and also everything will be linked down below in the description box as well. The fact that I'm partnering with Wayfair for this video is a dream come true. I just feel so grateful that I get this opportunity, and it honestly wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you so much for all of your support. I cannot even believe this is happening, and I am so grateful. We really managed to turn this patio upside down, all thanks to Wayfair and their super fast shipping. All of these furniture and decor items we're using today, we got here within days, which is so helpful for us, especially when we plan last little makeovers like this. Wayfair truly has items for every budget. I'm always seeing such affordable deals all the time on their website. I actually just checked, and almost all of the items you'll see in today's video are actually on sale at this very moment. So that is great. Definitely take advantage of that while you can. You can shop all things outdoor using the Wayfair app directly on the screen of this video, or you can click the magic links down below in the description box that will lead you directly to their website. I will be showing you everything we use from Wayfair way more in depth over the course of this video, but for now we're going to start cleaning up so we can bring out our fresh new furniture. The front porch is people's first impression. This is what the public sees 24/7. So I think this space deserves just as much attention as the inside. So now let's make this front porch just as inviting as the rest of our home. So here's what our front porch looks like to begin with. We don't have a lot going on here. We've had these chairs here for years now. They're definitely a little broken and out of shape. We actually got them a few years ago, so it's definitely time for a replacement for these guys. You can also see some cracks here in the concrete, so we're gonna repair that with a concrete repair kit as well, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we do that and how it looks in the end. I don't mind how the cracks look. Honestly, I kind of like the cracked look of it better, but because there is a big crack in the concrete, we want to conceal it and try to fix it as best we can now so it doesn't turn into a bigger crack later. Next, gonna start building our new chairs. These chairs are from Wayfair and they have a rope detail on the back. They're beige and they are outdoor friendly, which we love. Very affordable too, and they came in a pack of 2. Very into rope style chairs. I always gravitate towards them. I have so many around my home, but I just love the coastal and natural feel of them and how it also feels natural and organic without it being a rattan or a wicker. I just like the way it looks. It's modern, it's cute, it's neutral. We love these chairs. Nick is gonna continue building the other chair while I start planting everything. When I'm working on a patio like this or a concrete space, I always like to do all of my planting and pot everything and do all of the dirty work literally before we clean up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna put all of my flowers in our new pots that we got. And all of these pots that I'm using today are also from Wayfair. They are very, very heavy and really good quality. They come in a whole bunch of different sizes. I personally got the smaller one in the gray size and then the medium size one, which is in the white color. But the reason why I like to plant everything and do all the dirty work first is because I'm gonna go in with a power washer and clean everything off. And I always make the mistake of power washing everything and then planting after, and I just regret it because there's just no point. It always gets so dirty. So I made sure I planted everything and got all of that stuff done before I went in with our little power washer. I love this thing. We recently got this and it works so well. It literally got so much dirt off of the side of our house too. I didn't realize how dirty our house was until we did this, but you can kind of see in these clips a little bit how bright white it turned it. Kind of gross, kind of satisfying, but this little power washer is definitely worth the investment. I love this. We are using this all over our yard now. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody's losing. You can see where Nick repaired the cracks in the concrete with our little concrete repair caulk stuff. And it's a lot more noticeable when the concrete is wet. I will say that, but when it dries, it looks similar to a concrete color. Definitely not the same, but it definitely blends in a lot easier than it is right now. Had these welcome mats for years and honestly they've held up so well, so we're just gonna wash them out, give them a good clean and keep them here. I'm using an outdoor jute rug for the base and then I'm just layering a black welcome mat on top. We have little black accents here and there with some of our pods and our door handle, so this black mat kind of blends in and really bounces off of those black accents. Here is the rug that I'm using for this little patio area. This is a 5x7 and this is an outdoor rug. This is by Amber Lewis in Laloy. I love this collection and this collaboration of hers. I love the irregular line pattern. It's just a little bit different and it has a beautiful woven texture. It's very, very soft too. It's softer than what I was expecting. And it is just beautiful. I'm so happy with this and it was such a great price. It's also on sale right now, which makes it an even better price. I love this rug. Now I'm opening our new side table. This is an outdoor side table as well. All of these pieces are used for outdoor, of course. Why would I put it on my porch if it wasn't? But I love the way that this looks. This looks like travertine. It looks very high end, but it was very, very affordable. It was only $100, which I think is such a great deal. It feels like I could get this from a high-end designer website for a lot more. And I just love the natural stone, and I love how the beige color ties off of the beiges in the rug. And everything, it just goes together so perfectly. I am loving how this is looking so far. Now let's add in our chairs. Next to our little chair setup, I'm gonna add this big planter, and these are huge, you guys. This also comes in a set of 3, which I think is a great deal. I'm actually using all 3 on my porch just to balance out the height across the whole space. But I love these. It has a concrete feel. It's definitely more of a plasticky, thicker plastic material, or a resin almost, but very sturdy, a very good staple. And because our porch is so long, these help fill in all of those empty spaces. They are so tall, so we had to prop them up using some cardboard boxes, and we got a little fancy with our ways when we were doing this, but we pretty much just shoved a cardboard box to the bottom and then put our plant on top. I did not want to have to buy like 10 bags of soil for these giant planters, so we definitely did not do that, but it looks like we did, so that's all that matters. Now I'm gonna make our little arrangement for the door. I was gonna put a wreath here, but I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to tie in the warmth over here on the door as well. So I'm getting this little basket I thrifted a few years ago, and I'm just putting a whole bunch of different faux stems in there. I have some gypsophila stems, I have some thistles. I'm just throwing in a whole bunch of random ones to kind of make it look wildflowery, and I want this to look very flowy and wispy and whimsical almost. I'm adding in this ottoman that I found in my garage just to give some extra texture. I feel like this little area was missing something. Ideally, I would put a little coffee table or something, but it's not that big of a space, so it just didn't feel right. So an ottoman was the perfect solution for that. I'm gonna add some brown throw pillows to these chairs, and I wanna know your opinion on them. Do you like them this way, or do you prefer the chairs just plain with no pillows whatsoever? I like how cozy it looks with the pillows, but I don't like the fact that they cover up the rope detail of the chairs. So I don't know, let me know what you think. Do you prefer the chairs with or without the pillows? I just can't decide. After our welcome mats dried overnight, I asked Nick to put them back in so we could officially be complete with our porch makeover. So here's what the porch looked like. Here's what we started with. We had giant cracks. It was very dirty, not much going on, and very old furniture. There was not much life to this space whatsoever, and the curb appeal was just, it was not there, you guys. This space was not inviting whatsoever, which is not the vibe that we want to set when you drive up to our home. So we added tons of plants, a cozy rug, extra seating, and even more. And this is what our front porch looks like now. Thanks again to Wayfair for sponsoring today's video. They truly helped make this whole patio come to life. You can shop Wayfair for all things outdoor via links in the description box with the magic link to the brand site. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. It's one of the best ways to support me. Thanks guys. We'll see you in a few days in a new one. Bye.